All right, boys and girls, take a look at this picture. I'm going to say a word the slow way, and then we're going to say it the fast way. We're going to play say it fast. So listen. Happy. What's the word? Think. Say it fast. Hopefully you said happy. Now, look at all these kids. Don't they look happy? What's the word? Say it fast. Happy. They look happy. All right, friends, first we're going to say these sounds slowly, then we're going to say them the fast way. So think, get ready. Yes, you should have said, Now you're going to say it fast. Get ready? Yes, Let's do it again. First, say it slowly. Get ready? Nice. Now say it the fast way. Get ready? Good job saying, Okay, let's go to this one. We're going to say it slowly. Get ready? Nice job saying, ah. All right, now you're going to say it the fast way. Get ready? Yes, ah. Okay, let's do it again. First, say it slowly. Get ready? Nice job saying, ah. And now say it the fast way. Get ready? Yes, ah. Well done. All right, my turn to show you how to say all these sounds without stopping between them. I'm going to take a deep breath. Listen to me. Ah. See how I didn't stop till I got back here and I popped it back? That's when I stopped saying the sound. Okay, we're going to do it together. Take a very deep breath. Get ready. Ah. Let's do it one more time. Take a deep breath. Get ready. Ah. Now you're going to say it the fast way. Get ready? Yes. Ah. Very nice. All right, now we're going to go down to the bottom and do the same thing. So listen to me. I'm going to take a deep breath and then say the sounds. Get ready, Mrs. Williams. Good. Okay, do it with me. Take a deep breath. Get ready. Nice job. All right, all by yourself. You can do this. Take a deep breath. Get ready. Nice job. Now say it the fast way. Get ready? Yes. Well done. All right. Remember, this sound says S. What does it say? Get ready. Nice job saying S. All right. We're going to go through this list down here, and you're going to tell me what it says. So everybody think. Say the sound in your head. Get ready. Good job saying All right, think. Get ready. Yes, dog. Think. Get ready. Good job saying S. Think. Get ready. Oh, don't go until I move my pointer. Let's try it again. Get ready. Oh, you were supposed to say it. Mrs. Williams is saying it. All right, I'll let you do it yourself this time. Get ready. Good job saying ah. Think. Get ready. Good job saying S. Nice job reading this list today.